myself a Govee humidity, temp, and air quality sensor. The reason I'm going with the air quality sensor is it's the same price as if you just got the one with the humidity and temperature. Might as well buy the one that offers a little bit more for the same price. And lately they've been saying our air quality is awful, so I'll just look at it and then say the air is good, let's go about our day. Here's one. That's my air humidity and the temperature that's in this room currently. We'll compare it with what this is once we have it set up. It comes in a box like this. Govee's making a lot of new stuff. I'm liking it. A lot of people say the battery goes pretty quick on this, and a lot of people are saying it's depending on how you set it up. Laser. There's the device. It is quite heavy too. Need help? I already have a account with Govee, so it will go ahead and download the Govee app and start setting it up. If you guys want to read this, pause it, screenshot it, look at your screenshots because you can zoom up. Oh, it looks like I can plug it into the wall. I didn't know that. We may try that out. Pretty long cord, looks like 6 to 10 feet long. USB-A to USB-C. It's white, so it's going to be USB 2.0. Heck of a charge brick. What's the output on it? Output 2 amp 5 volt. That's where all the weight is. A heck of a charge brick. Didn't expect that. That's all that's in there. I thought it was battery. It doesn't have to be battery for my need, but nice little tear off if I want to tear it off. Almost looks like a Dyson fan in there. Yeah, this is light. All that weight was from the charge brick. Looks very well built. It does, the button feels cheap, but how expensive of a button can you put in it? Input 2 amp. It wants 2 amp. Looks like it's got something there. There's a fan there. All kinds of inputs for the different testing it's gonna do. We have a little charge brick that does the 2 amp. We'll go ahead and use it. So it's not battery, and I thought it was. Don't need it to be battery. It'll be just fine without. There we go. Plenty of cord. Plugs right into the back. Doesn't look like there's an on and off switch anywhere. So let it sit for a little bit. What's the top button do then? I'll let it sit there for a couple minutes, or a couple seconds probably. It's adjusting a lot. It's been in this room for about 6 hours, so it should be, well, other than it was in the box. I guess the cardboard could have been messing with it. Go over here a little bit. I got fans blowing through right here. Okay, while it's readjusting, we're going to go ahead and use the Govee app. Loads up like that. That's the icon. Oh, we still have the last one. I didn't like this one. I'm going to delete this one off of here. Actually return that. I'm going to hit the plus sign. And then, what's it say on the box? Smart Air There it is. And it found it with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Click the button to complete pairing. I clicked it. Game room. Game room temp. Searching for Wi-Fi. I think I'm... oh crap. I turned my Wi-Fi on, which is weird because we had no service all day. I'm going to select a 2G Wi-Fi, not 5G, that doesn't work. Wi-Fi successful. Wants to update the device. Equipment upgrade. When upgrading, remain 2 meters from the device. There are all kinds of lights showing up on this thing now. Top right has a light now. There's a Wi-Fi emblem on the other side. It says it just restarted the device. Update successful. I liked it on here because it was telling me the temp, the humidity, and how bad the air is all in one spot. If I shut off my Wi-Fi, we don't have service at the moment. All the towers are down in our area. It would pop up on here. It also pop up on my Google Home. Thing is, the temperature is reading drastically different. This one has been right. I've tested it with different devices throughout our house. We basically got one in each room because we don't have a we have a furnace but not an air conditioner, so it's nicer to have one in each room so you can control better. 73 temperature, but it's 78 down here. It's 39 up here, but 32 down there. It's not adding up. And that one up to 75. We'll see. Test it out for a week, see what it does. Thanks for watching.